Hello everybody. Today's video is a little trip I took with my Ace 250 to the beach on December 19th. It was blowing about 15 to 20 miles an hour. A cold front was coming through and it was raining, so it was a perfect time to go to the beach. I had wanted to do three things that day. To test my Ace 250. I hadn't used it in years. I wanted to reacquaint myself. Also, I made a little handle for a sand scoop because I couldn't find my regular scoop I used to have. And I wanted to test my old camera, my Kodak Playsport, because I know it can go underwater and get wet. And I have a mount that attaches to my chest. I wanted to see if I could use it without feeling too stupid. So I went to the beach to do those three things. And I ended up being there about 75 minutes, found about 12 coins. And the wind was so strong, it actually was whistling through the wires on the metal detector. I'm going to turn up the sound in just a second and let you enjoy the really wonderful windy weather we had at the beach that day. I learned a few things that I had forgotten about. When I went home, I realized I had somehow altered my custom setting on my Ace 250 to where the pull tab was blocked out, so I wouldn't have been able to find any coins, or at least too many. So you learn something every time you go, don't you? So I'm going to turn up the sound in just a second, and I'll have a roundup at the end of all the coins that I found, which nothing exciting, just clad coins. But it was a fun outing, and I learned a few things and got my feet wet again, not having done any real metal detecting in years. And I need to get a different scoop. The sand was very, very wet, and I want to be going in the water as soon as we're able to here, because my detector is waterproof. Alright, I think we'll be turning up the sound in a second, and hope you enjoy the video. We're putting on some more metal detecting videos real soon.
Well, first find of the day. So I'm thinking these seagulls know where the treasure is. Another Mr. Lincoln. Mr. Roosevelt. There she is. Just what the machine said, a penny. The machine's picking up the signals pretty good. Well, I think it's time to go.
Here's the roundup for the metal detecting at the beach today. We got about 7 pennies, 2 quarters, 2 dimes, nickel. There's a quarter missing. The parking was $2.50. Driving in traffic back to the beach and back home was 75 minutes, and detecting because of the rain and wind was only about 75 minutes. All told, I found about 57 cents. So I'm a rich guy. It was done on 12/19/19, December 19th, at Earl Lifshey Park in Fort Lauderdale. I learned a couple things detecting today. One was that in the future, I think if the sand is really wet and like mud, I'll just use the scoop without the handle. And I learned that I lost a coin. It's kind of ironic that the guy with the metal detector loses a coin, but there you go. I have to take better care. Guys, hope you like this video. I'll put on more metal detecting videos real soon. I kind of enjoyed this. I actually enjoyed it a lot. So I hope you come back and watch more and put new stuff on every week.
The sea was angry that day, my friend. Like an old man tired of finding Lincoln Head pennies on the beach.